Guys, it's me, Miss Strasser, here with your problem solving for this week. You are going to be looking at another problem solving that deals with decimal place value, but this one does take it up a little bit because you're going to be creating groups with those decimals. And so I will read this here in just a second. Just a reminder, there is only one option for this week because we are going to be moving out of this specific unit here within a week. So Mr. Fair, the physical education teacher, is forming 3 crab walk relay teams. There must be 4 students on each relay team. That's really important, so I might underline that. To determine the teams, Mr. Fair uses the students' crab walk times from the last physical education class. The students are timed to the nearest tenth of a second. So you've got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 students, and their time listed next to them. So you've got 11 seconds here, you've got 8 and 7/10 seconds here, so kind of got a variety, but they all typically are falling between 8 and 12, roughly in that range. He wants to create each of the 3 relay teams to be as equally matched in total time as possible. Remember, I'm going to go back up to here. On each team, there needs to be 4 students, at least. So it says that he wants to create 3 teams, and he wants their times to be as close as possible. And he writes the 3 teams on a piece of paper. What 4 students could Mr. Fair put on each team? And he decides to write the less than, greater than, or equal symbols on his paper to compare the 3 teams. What could he have written? So you're creating 3 teams. So somewhere on my page, I would put team 1, team 2, and team 3, wherever you feel like you can separate that and keep it organized. And then a lot of this is going to be trial and error. For some of you, that might mean dry erase on your desk as you might be erasing a lot. Maybe some of you want to get an extra scrap piece of paper so that when you are ready to finalize your teams, you haven't erased 14 times on your paper. Here's what I will say, and this has been the biggest mistake I've seen in my class the last 2 years of this problem solving. If you make the 3 teams and the times together, let's say you make a team with 4 people and their total time together is like 30 seconds. And then your second team, those 4 people together, their time is like 9, 11, 13. That's not close. Okay, so I need you guys to understand that your teams need to be extremely close in time, like within like 1 second of each other. So please keep that in mind, that when it says that he wants them to be matched in time, he literally means like within 1 to 2 seconds of each other for all of the teams. You should not have one team that takes 30 seconds and one team that takes like 12. So just keep that in mind. They need to be really, really close together. Okay? Good luck, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful, and please rewatch if you need to.